Hello, we are going to discuss today about discuss and compare today about Airtel and Geo Fiber, which broadband service is better. Let's find out. So for Airtel, actually I bought Airtel, and uh, for Airtel you have to pay a money. Okay, so you have to pay 1,500, uh, and in 1,500 they will provide internet service and also TV channels for 3 months free, uh, and after that you have to pay 600 rupees every month. uh, I got the Wi-Fi router from them, but I not got Android TV till now. Already 3 months completed, but till now I not get any Wi-Fi router. I think there is some shortage for that reason, and also it is better, like if we are paying 600 rupee every month, it is obviously it will be better than paying 800 to Geo every month. But the service is not good, because in my case what happened, I lose internet, and I switched my previous internet connection again. Like I was using city cable, and I switched back to that kind of internet connection again. So in terms of service, it is not bad actually. It will be totally loss of money. Uh, so assume that you invested 1,500, and after 2 months internet is not there. If you are calling, no one responding, and no one solving your problem. So obviously it is a loss of money. But on the other hand, Geo provide free installation, so they take charge for installation. 1,500 is the installation charge, but Geo will not, like Geo offering free installation. They will not take money for 3 months, and after 3 months you have to pay 700 or 800, something like that, uh, where you can get, because one of my friend actually using Geo Fiber for more than 1 year, and their whole family watching TVs. OTT platform is also there, so they are happy with that actually. So that will be better, even you are paying more than Airtel. And another story I like to tell, that my another friend also take Airtel connection in Bangalore, but he also not get good services, because I mean it will be totally waste of money. Don't think like that, that you are going to pay less amount 600, where in Geo you are going to pay 200 extra. So don't think like that. The quality matter, not service. You are not getting any service. What I'm talking, that if something damaged, they will not come. No one will come. No one will take your cost for Airtel. For Geo, they will take care actually, and for that reason. And I know some friends. One of my friends, act, uh, he using Geo actually, and he get a good service. He using for 1 year. But in case of Airtel, I not get good service. My another friend not get good service. For that reason, uh, Airtel is not good actually, but you can take if you want. If it is, uh, before taking, please check in your surrounds, that your friends are happy or not. Check your network, if they are happy or not. If your network is happy, some of your friends is happy with Airtel, then take it. But if they are not happy, then check for Geo also. If for Geo also they are happy or not. If for Geo, if it is happy, take it. If for Geo also not happy, then don't take it. Take some any other broadband if available in India. So that is a comparison I can tell. I can guide it. If you add some comments in this video, then I can show you what devices they provided for Airtel. I still have those devices. Uh, but they still not provided any Android box. Okay, it is over 3 months and they not provided. So I can show you two devices. One is installed inside a room Wi-Fi router, and another is a kind of box installed in on my rooftop. So yeah, I can show you. If you, at least if I get 10 comments and 10 likes, which is very less, and if I get at least this much comments, then uh, um, I can show you that thing. Okay. Sorry, without filtering, without editing, just putting this video. Thanks for watching. Please add comments if you have any query.